So children, today we will discuss how to write electronic configuration. So before learning about electronic configuration, how to write it, we have to learn basic diagram called Muller's diagram. Everyone should keep copying along with me. Please copy with me. If you know Muller's diagram, then you can write electronic configuration. Okay, children, please check one. First orbit, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d. Please copy along with me, children. 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d. Okay, you copy along with me, children. 7s, 7p, 8s. This is the diagram, children. Please copy along with me, children. Please copy along with me, okay? Or else, what I will do, I'll write it small, children, so that you can see in single face. Okay, you can see in single face. I'll write it small, children. Muller's diagram is very important, children. I will show you. Okay, I will show you in single. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d, 7s, 7, 8s. Keep copying, children. First, all of you copy this. Muller's diagram. This is called Muller's diagram. Okay, children. Now draw lines like this. Everyone should draw it. Hope everyone are drawing, children. You have to draw like this. Draw. Please draw like this, children. Okay. Now, children, while coming on the line, come down. Then dots are going up. While coming on the line, come down. Dots are going up. While coming on the line, come down. Dots are going up. While coming on the line, come down. Dots are going up. Down the line, up. Coming down, up. Coming down, up. Coming down, up. Like this. First you write. Don't ask me why. I will tell you. First you write. So children, this is the decreasing order. This is the increasing order of all the different orbitals which we are going to discuss. Okay, first one, children. I am writing here. See here. First is, what is the first one, children? 1s. 1s. This is less than. Next one is 2s. Next one, 1s, 2s, 2p. Next one is 2p. Next one is, after 2p, who is coming, children? 3s. After 3s, who is coming, children? 3p. After 3p, who is coming, children? 4s. Okay. After 4s, who is coming? You see, again, go up, go up. Who is coming? 3d. After 3d, who is coming? 4p. Okay, Vikram, next you have to say. After 4p.
Sir, 4D.
After 4p, what is this?
Sir, 5S.
5s. After 5s, what is this?
4D. Sir,
Next.
అలా ఎందుకు వస్తుంది?
చెప్పినప్పుడు విను ఫస్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ 5p.
Sir, 5S.
Next.
5P.
Next.
Yes.
6s. Next. Next.
4R.
4f. చెప్పాలి, చూసుకుంటూ చెప్పు. 5d.
Sir, నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు.
ఇదో ఇలా రావాలి, ఇలా మీదికి వెళ్ళాలి, ఇలా రావాలి. చెప్తుంటే అర్థం కాలేదంటే ఎలా? 5d తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుంది చూడు, చూసి చెప్పు. 6p. 6p తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుంది విక్రమ్?
Sir, 7S.
7s. 7s తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుంది?
5P.
5p. ఎఫ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. దాని తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుంది?
Sir, 6D.
దాని తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుంది?
7P.
దాని తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుంది?
8S.
8S. అందరు కాపీ చేసుకోండి అమ్మా. వై ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ ఐ విల్ సే ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఈవెన్ ఐఎమ్ రికార్డింగ్, మీకు మళ్ళీ రికార్డింగ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ యూ కాపీ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఐ రోట్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్. Okay, children. So, నేను ఎలా వెళ్ళాలని తెలుసు కదా పిల్లలు. You understood, no? I went like this, then I went up, then I came like this, then I went up, then I came like this, then I went up, then I went like this, then I went up. In books, you draw big children, then you like this, then I went up, like this, then I went up. Why means this is easy way to remember these shells. This is easy way to remember these shells. Okay, what happens I will let you know. What happens I will let you know. Please see here, children. Okay, if you understand this, forever easy in chemistry. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p. After 3p, what is coming, children? 4s. After 4s, 3d. After 3d, who is coming, children? 4p. After 4p, 5s. After 5s, 4d. 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5f, 6d, 7p, 8s, 7p, 8s. This is the, okay children, this is decreasing, this is increasing order of the shells, what we are going to write. So children, this if you know, you can write configuration of elements up to 100, 110, 120 also, children. We have almost 120 elements we can write, children. For this we can write. Okay. So children, before writing this, you should remember one important thing, children. So here, this sequence is there, no children. This sequence I'm writing here on the side so that I can rub this. I'm writing this sequence. First, we will fill up what, children? 1s, then 2s, then 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5f, 6d, 7p, 8s. Okay, this is the sequence. Okay, all of you. Now I am rubbing this and I am telling you. Okay, children, only one thing you should remember before doing anything. Only one thing you should remember. S can take 2 electrons, P can take 6 electrons, D can take 10 electrons, F can take 14 electrons. How? I will tell you everything, but this you remember. S can take 2 electrons, P can take 6 electrons, D can take 10 electrons, F can take 14. That's all, children. If you know this and this, you can write configurations up to 120 elements also. I'll start, children. First one I'm going, hydrogen. What is the hydrogen atomic number? 1. So configuration is 1s1 because first you will define. Okay, this is electron. Second one, helium, 1s2. Just now I told you S can take maximum 2 electrons. Okay, 10 I will say. After 10 I will be asking one student. Everyone should say, children. Now what I'm saying. 3, lithium. Lithium means 3, children. 1s2 is over because S can take maximum 2 only. I said this is over. Then go to this. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, children. Next, beryllium. Beryllium is 4. 1s2, 2s2. 2 plus 2, 4, children. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. So S can take maximum 2 only. That's all. Once S is 2 is over, you have to jump to next one. This is also over. Who will jump? 2p will jump, children. 5. Who is 5, children? Boron. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. Next carbon. Next nitrogen. Next oxygen. Next fluorine. Next neon. Okay. Carbon is 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. But P can take up to 6, no children, no problem will be there. You can continue in 2p only. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Because 2 plus 2 plus 4 is 8. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. 2 plus 2 plus 6 is 10 children. Okay, na? Till here, anyone have any doubt, children? Till here, if you keep writing, then you will understand, children. Children, P can take maximum 6 only. P can take 6 only. Once P is over 6, you have to go to next shell. Then you have to go to next shell. Okay, children. Hope you are copying along with me. Please copy. If not, video will be there. Again, you can have to check the video. Okay. So what is the next element? Sodium. Sodium is 11. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 is over. 2p6 is over now, children. So enter into 3s1. 3s1. Next one. 12 is magnesium. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. S can take maximum 2 only. Then we have to enter into P. Vivek, tell me aluminium. Vivek. Vivek, tell me aluminium.
2s2, 2p6,
1s2, 1s2,
2s2,
2s2,
6,
2p6,
3s2, 4s1,
3p1. After 3s, we'll go to 3p.
3p1.
Aluminium over, children. Next, silicon. Silicon is 14, children. Silicon is 14. Nandika, silicon.
1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2.
3p2. Next. 15. 15 is phosphorus, children. Okay. Next, 15 is phosphorus. Okay. So, Tanmay, phosphorus.
1s2, 2s2, 2p6,
3s2,
3s2,
3p3. Because P can take up to 6. P can take up to 6. Next. Sarayu, sulfur.
1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3.
3p4. Okay. Sulfur is over, children. Next, chlorine. Chlorine. Okay. Tikshita. Chlorine.
1s2,
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 3p5. Next. Argon. Vikram. Argon.
Sir, 1s2,
Hmm.
2s2,
Uh,
2p6,
Ah.
3s2,
uh.
2p6.
Okay. Next. Argon is over. Next, potassium. Children, potassium. Okay. Sujay, potassium.
Sir, 1s2,
1 second. 3p is over. Then we have to enter into 4s. Okay. Tell. 1s2.
2s2, 2p6,
Uh,
3s2,
uh.
3s6,
Hey.
3p6, 3d1.
4s1. After
4s1.
3p, 4s. Sahas is there? Sahas, are you there?
None, sir.
Please tell me calcium. 20.
1s,
1s2,
2s2,
2s2,
2p6,
2p6,
3s2,
3s2,
3p6,
3p6.
4s2.
Wow, super. 4s is over, children, because S can take maximum 2 only, children. Then we have to enter into D. Okay, children? Please copy. I'll ask some more students, other students who are left, I will ask. Please copy, children. Copy with me. After 4s, we have to enter into 3D. Now we are going into 3D, children, next. Please copy down. Next. 21. Yashasvi, 21. Scandium. Yashasvi. 1s2,
2s2,
2s2,
2p6,
2p6,
3s2,
3s2,
3p6,
3p6,
4s2,
4s2, 20 over.
3d1.
Super, ma. Super. 3d1. Next. Scandium is over. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. Okay, iron, copper, cobalt, nickel, zinc. Okay, we'll discuss, children. Next, children. Next, Lahari, titanium.
1s2,
2s2,
Okay.
2p6,
Okay.
3s2,
Okay.
3p6,
Okay.
4s2,
Okay.
3d2.
Very nice. Very nice. Next, Sri Hita, vanadium.
1s2,
1s2, 2s2,
2p6,
2p6,
3s2,
3s2,
p6, 4s2, 3d3.
అంతేనా అంత 3d3. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకెవరు ఉన్నారమ్మా సాహస్ నువ్వు చెప్పావా నాన్న సాహస్ చెప్పావా
Sir.
నువ్వు చెప్పావా
And sir.
నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరు చెప్తారు క్రోమియం చెప్పాలి ఎవరు చెప్తారు క్రోమియం ఎనీవన్
Sir,
Thank sir.
చెప్పమ్మా
1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d4.
3d4. ఓకే మ్యాంగనీస్ ఎనీవన్ మ్యాంగనీస్ చెప్పమ్మా
Sir, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d5.
3p6 4s2 3d5 చూసారా పిల్లలు ఈ సీక్వెన్స్ ఇఫ్ యు నో దిస్ సీక్వెన్స్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఎనీ నంబర్ 26 is iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Okay children, next iron. Vikram, iron.
Sir, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6.
Next Sujay, cobalt.
Sir, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d9, 3d7. Okay, so like that only children 3d8. Okay, everything you should write children. Like that only 3d9. Like that only children 3d10. Okay, after D is over, then we have to enter into 4p for 31. For 31 you should enter into 4p. 1p6 is over, then we have to enter into 5s. Like that you should keep on entering children. This we can do for any number up to 120 elements we can do children. Up to 120 elements we can do children. Okay, you are able to understand children. Okay, so for just first you copy now children you have to write entire thing. I wrote like this dashes, you have to enter thing. If you keep writing children, please keep writing children. Keep writing. Okay, now just for fun we'll do atomic number 50. We are not interested in element name children. We are not interested in element name. No sir, we want to see from the periodic table 150. If it is 50, what is its configuration? Okay, so please see here children. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. Till now we were doing up to zinc. This is 30 over. After 3d10 who will go children? Where will go? 4p6 means 36 over. Then we'll go to 5s. 38 is over. After 5s then we'll go to 4d. 4d means 10 children. 48. After 48 we'll go to 5p children. 5p2 because till here 48 plus 2 50 over, like that. This is how we have to do children. So your homework will be 1 to 60 elements you have to write. Okay children, actually 30 I only made you write there. So you write 31 to 80 elements configurations. 31 to 80 elements configurations. Once you write this, how we got yesterday the part 1 what video we discussed, how we got CBSE, how they are discussing, then you will understand. Anyway, now only I make you understand children, so that you will have comfort. Okay, 31 to 80 you are writing configurations, all of you. 31 to 80. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, again I will mention. Just see children now. Yesterday I was telling how we got that. That is the subtopic of this only children. That is the subtopic of this only. How many I will show you children. Suppose, let me say, suppose phosphorus is there 15. What is 15? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. In first shell how many are there? 2. In second shell how many are there? 8. In third shell how many are there? 2 plus 3 5. We were writing like this 2 8 5. Like this we were writing yesterday. Okay, suppose calcium is there. What is calcium? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Calcium. We wrote no more, you know. First shell how many? 2. Second shell, 8. Third shell, 8. Fourth shell, 2. That's why I wrote yesterday 2, 8, 8, 2. Do you remember, children, yesterday? We got from this, children. This is actual configuration. We'll study in intermediate. If you don't know this, children, then you can't do anything in chemistry, children. You should know this. For that purpose only, what I'm saying, you practice, okay? You practice up to 60 elements. Then we'll discuss some more about this. Like suppose you want to write like this for higher elements. Like suppose one element will take, children. One element will take, children. Like suppose 35th element is there. What is 35th element configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. After 3d, 4p, 4p5. Okay, children. First shell, how many are there? 2. Please see here, children. You have to concentrate on first shell. How many are there? 2. Second shell, how many are there? 8. Third shell, how many are there? 8 plus 10. Here also you should see 2 plus 6 plus 10, 18. Fourth shell, how many are there? 7. Like this, you are right, children. So 2, 8, 18, 7. Like that. Yesterday you are getting confusion, no, sir, for higher elements, how to write. Like this, you should write, children. This is first shell, this is second shell, third shell, here. Fourth shell, this plus this. These are in increasing order of their energy, children. These are increasing order of their energy. This is lowest energy, first shell. This is the lowest energy. First shell means, suppose neon is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, no, children. Means this is nucleus, first shell, second shell. In first shell, how many are there? 2 electrons. In second shell, how many are there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this electrons are there. This is dot structure. How to draw dot structure, I will say in other class, children. So tomorrow your homework is 30 to 60 elements configurations you should write. 60, how much I give? 80. I think 80. If you write this only, children, then you will understand. If not, you will not understand, children.